Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Aimero Santiago, 42 years old, married, blessed with two children, 17 years old and 13 years old. My husband is a private employee, my father has passed away, and my mother is a housewife. I have three brothers and four sisters. I am from Marilao, Bulacan. I am Catholic. I am college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management. And I work as a domestic helper in Qatar as for 2 years and 3 months. I have served three members of the family, two adults and one child, 1 year old and 3 months. My main duties are there cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing clothes, cooking, ironing, and taking care of the child. Sir, Madam, if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family and I will treat your family as my own family too. And I will follow all the rules and regulations you gave it to me. And I will continue working with you in a long-term basis as long as you like my service. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.